Maintenance is the topic of everything. When it comes to really interior, exterior, doesn't matter what it is.
Sure.
Artificial turf, it's one of the hottest topics out there. Everybody's looking for it. Tell us a little bit about turf and what expectations homeowners can have when installing it.
So turf has come full circle. I remember when I had just gotten into this, it was kind of phasing out, and now it's like every single property we're installing artificial turf. And there's a lot of benefits to that. Whether it's maintenance, maintenance free. If you have pets and like myself, I mean, we have a couple dogs and they go outside, they go to the bathroom,
right.
and they got brown spots on everywhere because of the turf turning colors. And then it just always, the only time it looks good is when it's fresh cut.
Right.
And we want things to look perfect. We want to control as much of that as possible. Again, drainage.
Right.
No fertilizers. No pest issues. I mean, there's just so many benefits to the turf. I mean, most people are like, I would say, they're turfing the entire backyard.
Right.
And then from an aesthetics point, it really enhances the pool design,
right.
The patio features. So there's a lot of benefits to the artificial turf.
Absolutely. And when talking about turf specifically, in the different elements, because I know there's, obviously it's open to the sun all day, every single day.
Mm-hmm.
What's the life expectancy and what can people expect when it comes to the product?
Depending on, like anything else, the quality.
Yeah, right.
So, if the quality's there, the longevity is going to be there.
Right.
And how it's installed, and drainage again. Those are all key points that will keep you enjoying this stuff for a long time. I mean, it's a 20-year product if you're going with the higher end stuff. So I mean, there's not a piece of sod out there that's going to last 20 years, especially when you get into the flexibility with the turf. I mean, I can put it in shade and it's not going to die like palmetto sod's going to.
Right.
So it just gives us a lot of flexibility.
Absolutely. And that's the thing when it comes to design, like you're not limited when it comes to turf, because you just mentioned, I mean, you can have palmetto sod or zoysia or whatever. There's all these different elements and plants are difficult to take care of indoors, outdoors. It doesn't matter what it is, and elements are everything. But when talking about the investment when it comes to turf, because people a lot of times are short-term, they're short-minded in the sense of, well, it costs more right now, but long-term, it really pays for itself, and aesthetically, it's never going to change. So what can you tell us kind of like in regards to the
We tell people, look, I mean, some people are like, well, this isn't my forever home. Well, when you sell the house, if I'm coming to buy the house, it's one less thing I have to do, because the trend is artificial turf. So it's a wise investment. I mean, again, the selling point for even the client is that, to maybe a prospect buyer, is that it's maintenance free. You don't have to hire a lawn guy. You don't have to have people in your backyard. You have the privacy aspect of it. The cost, I mean, look, you're getting a product that needs zero. I mean, it's maintenance versus no maintenance. So you're getting what you pay for there.
Right.